Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Roquefort cheese. To begin this fascinating journey, you'll need fresh, unpasteurized sheep's milk. Gently warm the milk to precisely 30 degrees Celsius. This temperature is crucial for the next step. Then, carefully incorporate your chosen starter culture along with the distinctive Penicillium roqueforti spores. Allow this mixture to ripen for approximately 1 hour, preparing it for the transformation into this world-renowned blue cheese. This initial phase sets the foundation for the unique flavor and texture. Once your milk has ripened, it's time for coagulation. Add a precise amount of rennet, which will encourage the milk to set. Let this mixture rest undisturbed for about 1 hour, allowing a firm, custard-like curd to form. Next, using a long, sharp knife, carefully cut the curd into small, 1 centimeter cubes. This precise cutting is vital for the cheese's texture. Gently stir these curds to help release the whey, preventing them from matting together too quickly and ensuring proper drainage. Now, it's time to transfer your delicate curds into cylindrical molds. These molds are designed to facilitate further whey drainage and give the cheese its characteristic shape. Over the next 2 to 3 days, you'll need to turn the cheeses regularly within their molds. This ensures even shaping and continued moisture release. Once removed from the molds, thoroughly dry salt the entire surface of each cheese. This step is essential for drawing out additional moisture and inhibiting the growth of undesirable bacteria. The final and perhaps most iconic stage is the affinage or aging process. First, pierce the cheeses with long needles. These holes create vital air channels, allowing the Penicillium roqueforti mold to flourish and develop its signature blue veins. Then, transfer the cheeses to natural caves, ideally with high humidity and cool, consistent temperatures. Here, they will age for a minimum of 3 months, often longer, allowing the complex flavors to fully develop. This unique environment is what gives Roquefort its unparalleled character.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.